Is that a goat? Hello? Whoa, big curb. Ugh. It just died. All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we are testing out the new rear shock on my Razor SX500. If you guys saw my last video, you know I complained a bunch about the rear shock I had on this bike being too stiff. Basically, if you want to run a 240mm shock on one of these bikes, your options are either the shock I have here, which is a D&M, or the Fox Float. The shock I have was $100, the Fox Float is $400, so obviously y'all know what oh dear, whoa, that was sketchy. All right, gotta look further down the road. Slippery out here too. What was I saying? Those are big dogs. Hello, sirs. What was I saying? Yeah, so the shock I have on this bike, the D&M RCP2, way stiffer than it needs to be. It's only offered with a 550-pound spring. So I went to Fox's website and picked up a 450-pound spring for like 37 bucks. So essentially, I have made myself a Fox Float shock for $137 instead of $400. And I'm delighted to say the ride quality is significantly improved, on the rear at least. The front forks I still haven't messed with. I need to replace the oil in those to make them a little softer, but I'm pretty happy with how the bike rides now. So I've ridden this bike twice and I haven't charged it yet, so I have like 30 something miles on this battery. We're still at 70 volts, which is a little under half. So I don't know, we might get stranded somewhere today, but that'll be funny in any case. I haven't done any more tuning, so off throttle the bike's a little I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of twitchy almost. That was sketchy. Like there's a little bit of vibration off throttle, so I'm having to stay on throttle when I want to slow down. But she's cruising. You got to be careful. These brakes are really good, and tires not so much. So it's real easy to lock them up. Oh, what is that? Is that a goat? Hello? I lost my chain. No. Oh, it locked up the wheel. No. Let's try to roll this sucker on. That is big time suck. There we go. Got the chain back on. I don't know, man. I messed with the sprocket, made sure it was all perfectly aligned. Let's see, we might be back in business. That was a little sketchy because it actually locked up the tire that time. Let's hope that doesn't happen at speed. All right, we're back in business. All right, so met up with my brother here. He has this MX500 build, which honestly is how I would do it if I were to build this bike again. I kind of regret the heavy forks and stuff on here. Yeah, that thing's pretty quick, actually. $35, wow. That's not bad for just a base tune we have on that bike. Cruise, oh dear. Ooh, almost lost it there. Where is he? He's back there. I keep forgetting I'm not on the Burrow Max. This bike actually has good brakes. The slightest bit of pressure will lock it up. Down we go. Yeah, dude, here I rode the Burrow Max on this little thing, and you can definitely feel the weight and lack of nimbleness on this bike compared to that one. Ugh. Meanwhile, my brother's having no issues with his much lighter bike. Okay, straight away. That's where we're headed, that trail down there. Unfortunately, we have to ride down this muddy thing to get to it, which should be fun. Heavy on the brakes here. Slippery and very rough and rocky. I'll keep high side here. Oh, we're falling in. Oh dear. All right, we're down. Oh, he's good. How is it? All right, let's go. Oh, we're flinging mud everywhere. This is gross. I should have put my rear fender on. My motor's probably caked in mud right now. Oh, he's flinging up water at me too. Dude, that thing's so quick for a low budget build. That's the way to do it. He has a Shrimp 60 volt battery and a Far Driver 72-300. He's just cruising at 35. And that bike probably cost half as much as mine. I'm curious what I set my low voltage cutoff to, because I'm at 66 volts and I still have like a 10-mile ride home. It's a little stress inducing. Oh no! Oh, I almost lost it there. Yeah, let's switch. Here, just take this a lot slower in the corners because the tires are terrible.
That's good to know.
Alright, CRF 50. Is it all muddy? Yeah, I should have put the fender on. Alright, CRF 50 plastic, CRF 50 tall seat. Oh, it's comfy.
How's it going, guys?
Hey, good, how are you? Alright, oh man, this thing's so smooth. Actually, really quiet even with the chain tensioner. What? It's faster for sure. Yeah, the acceleration on this bike isn't nearly as quick, but it's only running a 40 amp tune instead of, I think I'm at like 100 amps on that bike. Oh, this is nice. This feels so light and nimble. It feels like the Bro Max. Yeah, the power isn't quite there, but oh, this is a great little cruiser. There's a little bit of clunk from the front suspension, but that's because it's not a hydraulic setup. It's just a spring lift kit. But the benefit is this bike weighs half as much as that one. Yeah, this is sweet. Whoa, I'm getting sprayed. Oh.
But do you notice the wobble?
Yeah, a little bit. You can feel it.
How do you fix it? Is this the end?
I think this is the end. That's the river, and then that up there is like a new neighborhood park. We can go up through the neighborhood and around to the next trail, I think.
Sure. You want to switch back?
Yeah. Yeah, dude, this is sweet. This is how, if I were doing it again, I'd build it this way.
Why? No, I want the power of this with just those tires.
Yeah.
And this would be the best. And I like that it doesn't have like extra chain nose. It's quieter than this.
It's not bad though. Like I expected it to be louder, but it's nice. How do we get up out of here? I think we could. You want to try to tackle that? Oh, he's going for it on street tires in the wet. Oh, this is not too bad. Go, yeah, left. Yeah, let's go follow him. Oh dear, we're sinking in. Too much power. Oh dude, it's just burning that rear tire. Okay. Ooh. And up we go. Alright, nice. Oh dear, we're losing power. I think our voltage is getting low and it's going into like limp mode. I'm in limp mode. Limp mode. Somewhere in here we can change our low voltage cutoff. 60 volt. 62. Okay. That's good. Okay. I changed it to 62 volts down from 65. Might give me a few extra miles. Ooh, you can hear the suspension clunking.
You're doing that too?
No, I just don't have front suspension. It's so stiff. Oh, these are big rocks, dude. Yeah, you really have to slow down in the turns on these tires. Yes. Yeah. This thing's big. Ugh. Dude, this thing's sweet. Guy left his coffee in here. Still warm. Is there anyone around? Let's hop in this and check it out. Ugh. Oh, dude, this is sweet. Might be my new daily driver here. Take this to work. Ugh. Ugh. Where'd the door go? There it is. All right, where to next? Oh, pro tip, how to clean your shoes. There we go. Dude, do you think you could make it up that?
Not on these tires. You could probably do it.
That's steep. All right, how do we get down there first? This is a bad idea. Sinking in already. Oh, dude, it's like mud. It's a very bad idea. Oh no, that's soft. Look at the tire. Ugh. Ugh. All right, let's try to make it out of here. All right, how do we get out of here? Enduro. Ugh. Dude, that is just the stickiest mud. Look at that. Look at that caked up on my tire. This is horrible. Oh. This is what a nightmare, dude. Hang on, I gotta clean off my tire. Oh, dude, that's gonna be a very slippery ride. Hold on, can we lock up the front?
That is bad.
Yeah, that's not good.
That's that sway stuff. You gotta do some jump.
There we go, back one's clean.
What about the front?
I need two-wheel drive so I can do a front wheel burnout. All right. Get the shoes cleaned. All right, where to next? Whoa, big curb. Ugh. Ugh. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna make it home, dude. $61 volts. Oh man, I really should have brought a charger with me. Let's go right here. We'll take another right. I'm not gonna make it home. Yeah, dude, that's a clean looking bike. CRF50 plastics. Bump. Going through the middle here. I don't know why my range sucks. I'm at 61 volts. It's gonna cut out at 60. So I might be able to get to your house, but it's topping out at 10.
What?
I've turned my 72 volt Razor into a stock Razor. Can we go? They have a green light. Yeah, I guess we're gonna go. Oh, this thing sucks. It just died. Completely, the voltage went to like 0.
What does that say, 4?
Yeah, 4 volts in the battery. Something's up. Battery's not hot or anything. I think maybe that's what the controller does to protect it, just shuts it off completely. We're stranded. Oh, look at that. I can walk it 4 miles an hour. It's about as fast as a stock Razor. Let's get up this. Whew. All right, well, on that terrible disappointment, it's time to end. Not sure why I lost so many volts. It looks like we traveled 7 miles this trip. I started at 69-ish volts and it died at 60. Meanwhile, my brother's bike, he started at 70 volts. He has 66 as of right now. So not sure why I lost so much voltage in that short amount of time, but something I'll have to figure out. All of these self-built bikes have their little quirks. So appreciate you guys for watching. The Burrow Max will be on the channel up next. I have some parts coming in today. New sprocket and stuff should give us a little more top speed, so stay tuned for that.